Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcast on WebTech Zone. So in this video tutorial, I will guide you through Canva clipping mask and including how to mask image, adjust the fit and add effects for pro looks. So let's start with the video, and at the end, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel and don't forget comments below. So let me start with the video. Okay guys, so here we are. This is my Canva. So let me take one blank page or presentation. Okay, so here you can upload your own image from here. Just go here and upload your image. Upload, you can see image like this. Okay, so I just take one image from Canva only. Okay, this one. Okay, now you can increase the size like this. Okay, and just download as a PNG and download it. Okay, after that you need to select that image again. Go to the BG remover, background remover. Now just crop it like this. Just drag the side that arrow and just crop it like this. You can crop like this or whatever. Okay, now increase the size. Okay, keep it at the middle on page. Okay, increase the size like this. Okay, now go to the edit image. Here under the effects we need to go in this option which is dot tone. Okay, here go to the customs and just highlights black, make it black, and shadow also make it black. Okay, now you need to download this also, download as a PNG. Okay, it will download. Now just delete that image. Now go to the upload and go to the upload file and upload that both downloaded image we just created, which we just created. Okay, so we have uploaded it. Now just click and put on the page. Okay, now here go to the app. Okay, and search for blend image app. So this app will be come up, just click on it. Okay, so here choose the top bottom layer, this your original image, select that image and click on use selected image, and for top layer select this black one and select use selected image. Now make it screen only, blend mode, and just add to here the preview you can see, and just select and click on that add to design. Now this page image has been added. Now you can just remove the, you can delete that original and you can keep this generated image on page and just crop it and make size which you want. Now you can see this is a clipping this is masking, or you can say clipping masking. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.